First step that we want to do when we have videos that we're going to be importing into our classroom and on our PCs to work with is we want to bring those videos into our Windows Explorer. Okay, so this is our Windows Explorer down here. We have this folder. Another place, if you don't see the folder pinned to your taskbar down here, you can just start typing Windows Explorer. See if that works here. EX Window File Explorer right here. Okay, that's what we're looking for, and open that up. That should let us see our folders and our hierarchy on this computer. So if you notice on the left hand side under this view, you can turn that over. We want this, we don't need the preview and tile pane on, but we want to be able to see this side. What we want to do is open our PC. For instance, if I have my my videos or pictures saved on my phone, I can go to this PC or on our little SD drives and we can look for it. So my phone is showing up here. One thing that I'm going to have to do when I plug my cable into my phone, I'm going to have to open up my phone, pull down the menu, whether I have an Android or Apple, and accept access onto the computers. And then I should also make sure that my phone stays awake during this whole process. If my phone goes to sleep, it's going to shut down and disconnect, and then I'll lose the other half of my files that I haven't been able to bring in. When I open up under this PC, my device, it's going to show me my internal storage, and then I can open that up. And what we're looking for is the DCIM folder. That is where our videos and audio and recordings and pictures are going to be stored. So in here, I am looking for the one that says camera. If you have an iPhone, it may just auto sort this as well. You may need to open up camera or go by date. Okay, you can set up your device sometimes to put everything taken on one date in its own folder. Mine just kind of stacks everything here. I'm going to change my view to details, and that's going to let me sort by my modified date. So I can pull this down and I can sort here. I'm going to go up to sort, and I'm going to change this to date created. Okay, or I can click on it here, and that should stack everything by date. When I find my photos that I want to bring over, let me move that window onto this side. I'm going to open up, I like to have two right side by side. I'm going to right click on here. I'm going to open up another file explorer. And this one, I am going to, let's put this one to the right. You can hold Windows down and do your left or right arrow key. I'm going to go into, let's see, for the first project, we're doing pictures. I'm going to go into my picture folder. You could also do it under videos if you're doing videos. Or you can go to your student drive. This is probably the best thing you can do. You will have a 6-digit number that will be your M drive. It will be your student drive. On there, let's open that up. And we're going to make a new folder. So I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to make a new folder. Go to right click and get your menu and go new folder. We're going to call this video production class. Okay, everything that we can do for video production class can go in there. And then what I want to do is I want to start organizing everything by the actual project that we're going to do. So this, I'm going to write a new folder again. And this is going to be 2.014 shots. Okay. So now everything that I have from my project, I'm going to bring into my 14 shots. So I'm going to go find the ones by date. I'm going to click on, this is yesterday's date. I'm going to look on the one for today's date, but I can just drag those over and drop them. I'll do that as a sample, and you'll see that they're showing up here. All right, so that's the first step. When they're there, what we can do is we can open those up and we can label them, and we will show that in the next video. So thank you for joining me in part 1, and we'll see you in the next one.